This video will look at how to manage object permissions for suppliers. So firstly we just go to merchant and then products, and then from the top drop down we click on supplier and supplier list. So we then select our supplier by clicking on the yellow magnifying glass, and at the top of the page we click on permissions. So for every type of object in the system there is a set of access controls which govern who has access to do certain functions for those types of objects, and that set of access controls is tied to a different user role. So at the moment we're looking at what you see here is a list of access controls which are relevant to suppliers. So things, for example, like deleting a supplier or editing a supplier, managing the supplier category mappings as well as vendor mappings. And in this instance we're looking to override the standard supplier permissions specifically for this individual supplier Ingram Micro. So if we take a look at perhaps the administrator role, who would typically manage the suppliers, we can see that the administrators have access to manage the category mappings. So if for some reason we wish to disallow users from, specifically administrator users, from doing that on Ingram Micro, we would just remove that and hit save.